Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to MixHub YouTube channel. In the last episode, we discussed about how to create a new paper presentation in mobile phone by using Microsoft PowerPoint. It seems to be very easy, right? But in this episode, I would like to reveal the most important steps in taking a presentation or making a presentation in mobile phone in step-by-step manner. Please follow the video up to last. Before that, I have to tell you something about Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a slideshow presentation program. The program uses slides to convey information. The main features of Microsoft PowerPoint are animations, slideshow transitions, merge shapes, PowerPoint notes for presentation, images, videos, PowerPoint design ideas, and etc. The PowerPoint is commonly used by students and business people to create slideshow presentations. Let us know more about it. What is PPT presentations? You all have the question, right? Let me tell you. PPT is a file extension for a presentation file format used by Microsoft PowerPoint, the popular presentation software commonly used for office and educational slideshows. All text, images, sound and video are used in the presentation are contained in the PPT file. Okay, let us move into the video. Please open the Google Play Store which was available in your mobile phone. Tap on the search bar and search for Microsoft PowerPoint which was available in the suggestions also. Please open it. It opens very quickly and it will not take any time. Click on the plus button which was available in the top right corner for making a presentation. Choose the presentation theme. There are a lot of presentation themes in this Microsoft PowerPoint. Here I am choosing this. In this, you have to enter title and subtitle to this. Here I am entering the sample title. Biomedical waste management. Adjust the text to the presentation. Here I am giving the subtitle to this, problems and solutions. Click on the plus button which was available in the bottom right corner for more slides. Here I am giving the text bold and adjusting the size. Please stay in contact with this video, guys. Here I am moving to the next slide. In the next slide, this was a content slide. In this slide, you have to enter the contents which was given in your slide presentation. Please enter those kind of contents. Enter the contents in a step-by-step manner. Here I am giving the first as objectives. If you want the subtitle box once again, please click on it and select the duplicate button. Here I was giving this video in 3x format due to the time issues. If you want to set a background image to this, click on the image button and select the image which suits your slide. Here I am choosing this. If you want to crop it, click on the bottom left corner to crop the button. Click on the done. Click on the transition button which was available in the 1, 2, 3 third step and send back it. Click on the send to back button. Okay, here I am. It will set to the slide. Please stay in contact. Okay, click on the bottom right corner for next slide. Here I am giving objectives. As you know guys, I was typing in my mobile phone. It took some time. Please stay in contact. As I said you before in the last video, we discussed how to install and how to fetch your account with Microsoft PowerPoint server. In this I will tell you in detail about Microsoft PowerPoint and how to make it. In this objective slide, you have to enter your main theme of your presentation. Here I was giving. Please follow the instructions. Okay, click on the plus button for next slide. In this, I was giving the abstract to my presentation. Below that, you have to enter the abstract to this presentation. Yes, here it is. If you want to change the color, select all the text and change the color. In the next slide, I was giving introduction to this. Okay. Typing take a lot of time, so I was doing copy paste. Okay. In this you need not to enter the fluent English or the primary matter that was related to your presentation. My suggestion is to you, please give the hints which was understandable by you and your client. Okay, here I am taking the pie chart to this presentation. Okay, adjust the size to your slide. Okay, if you want to shape your image, click on the shapes button. There was a reflection button, there was a shades button, and there was a styles button. This Microsoft PowerPoint gives you a lot of stuff which you have to use it. Once you get all information about this, you will be the master in making presentations. Okay, here I am taking the second image to this. Click on the styles. Here I am choosing this. Okay, adjusting to this. Crop. Here I am typing bold and increasing the font size. Biomedical waste includes. Oh, I am writing includes. Please wait. I will modify it after cropping. Okay. My personal suggestion is to you, please make the slides more shortly. In this I am giving conclusion. Okay, this was completed. This was a reference slide. You have to enter your reference links or websites. In the last slide, you have to enter the thank you or set a image. Thank you. Okay, select the image which fits to your presentation. If you want to set the transitions to your presentation, please click on that. Okay, select the transition. Here I am choosing this and swipe from left to right and set the transition. Yes, here I am giving this. Okay, next slide, next slide, and next slide. Okay, all are completed almost. We will give you the link in the description to download the presentation of biomedical waste management. If it was useful, please use it. Feel free to use it. If you want to save this presentation, click on the three dots and click on the save button, which was available in this. Okay, click on that. Save. It was automatically saves when this bar is switched on. Okay, it was automatically saves. Please check once if there are any errors. If you want to see the presentation once by yourself, click on the presentation button, which was left side to the send button. Click on that. It was open like this. All are perfect. If I want to make any presentation for you, please mention me in the comments below in the comment section. Explain this presentation in a very quick and in a neat manner. Yes, our transitions are working. Yes, it shows very neat manner. I like this way. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.